we're going to draw a New Year snake. Because in some Asian cultures, the year 2025 is a year of the snake.
Yep.
We know there are mixed feelings about the snake, so we're going to draw a
cute one.
Yeah, that's right. So let's get started. We're gonna draw a big head.
Yep.
Big heads make everything cute. So draw a circle, but don't connect it all the way, okay? Big round head. And I'm gonna not connect it, but let it come down a little bit because it's gonna connect to the rest of their body. And then from this side, I'm going to draw a curved line down for the snake's belly and kind of like a hook almost. And then draw some wavy wiggles for the snake's tail. And it's gonna come up and connect it from the line that you left off here for the head and make it a little wider on top of the tail and then narrower as you go to the end of their tail. Okay? And follow the wavy curve of your snake. It doesn't have to be perfect. Great! And then now we're gonna just draw the belly, the underbelly. So I'm gonna draw a curved line out and follow the wavy line and then just kind of end it here before it gets to the very end of the tail. Yeah, great job! And I'm going to draw a few smiley face lines, curved lines on the belly so that kind of looks like the snake has different parts of her belly. Great. Now for the face. Do little small oval eyes for our little snake. 1, 2, and you're going to give her eyelashes. She's a girl snake. And 2 little dots for her nostrils. And a little smile. And my snake is gonna have a cute little flower headband because she's off to a New Year's party. So I'm gonna draw a little flower on the side of her head. You can decorate your headband however way you would like. You can draw a flower, a star, a bow, and then connect it with 2 curved lines, just her headband. All the way to the edge of her head. That's it! Here's our New Year's snake. Off to a New Year's party. Now, we're gonna use these new markers to color our snakes. And Mia and I have already picked out our colors. You gonna show your colors? Yeah. And these are markers from Ohuhu. Which is kind of a funny word to say, huh?
Ohuhu.
And these markers are cool because they have a broad tip and a brush tip. And you can check out our other video where we unbox our markers.
Yeah.
Great! So let's get coloring! I think we'll draw some boy snakes too, right?
Yeah.
Check out our next art along video for the boy snake. Ooh, what do you think about these markers?
They're pretty.
Yeah, I like how I can get to the fine areas, the little corners with my brush tip. And then for the broad areas, I'll probably use the broad tip.
The broad tip is nice. You can color more space.
Yeah, you can cover more space with it, huh?
They smell.
They smell? What do they smell like?
I don't know.
It's this marker smell, but not as bad as a Sharpie, right? Are you good at coloring within the lines?
Yeah.
Wow. I'm not the best.
You're the best.
I am? I think sometimes it's okay to color outside of the lines though, right?
Mm-hmm.
That's what makes it cool sometimes too. It's interesting because in our culture, there's an animal associated with each year.
Yeah.
2024 was the year of the dragon, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then year 2025 is the year of the snake, which is pretty cool.
Mm-hmm. The snakes love the year of the snake.
Oh, yeah. Do you think we'll see more snakes this year?
That's probably not gonna happen.
Yeah, that's kind of silly, huh? Ooh, I like this red. Or actually, it's called a cadmium red. That's cool, huh?
Mm-hmm.
What's your favorite color?
Teal.
Yeah, I love teal too.
Which green is this?
Ooh, let me pull out our handy dandy swatch sheet that we were working on earlier. What's the name on it? Pond green. Pond green. This one, G360. So this is our tester sheet, Artalong friends. So we tested out our marker colors in these swatch sheets so that we know what it actually looks like on paper.
Yeah.
It's a pretty nifty tool. I actually really like these markers. What about you?
I like these.
What do you like the most?
The fine tip.
Yeah, I love the fine tip. And I love how many different shades of color there are.
Uh-huh, that's also what I like.
Yeah, who knew there were so many shades of green?
There's a lot of shades of green.
Yeah, let me just name off some. There's forest green, deep green, turquoise green, peacock green, emerald green,
There's
vivid
peacock green?
Yeah, BG6.
Oh, that's cool.
I use that one. Peacock green. That's the color of my snake.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Who knew you would need so much green one day?
Mm-hmm. Do you know any fun facts about snakes?
The big four is the Indian cobra, saw-scale viper, the chain snake, and the common crate.
Whoa! What does it mean to be the big four?
They're the most dangerous snakes, and if they bite you, it can make you sick.
Whoa! How do you know those things?
I watched a show on them.
Oh, cool. Yeah, I wonder if our Artalong friends know any fun facts about snakes, too. Snakes are pretty cool creatures, huh?
Uh-huh.
Oh, I love your banner.
Thanks.
Is she going on a race?
Nope, she's just going to a party.
Oh, fun! go to a New Year's party without any fireworks.
Yep.
Yeah, New Year's fireworks. Get all the colors out for that. That's how some of the fireworks go. Yeah.
You love fireworks.
I do. I think fireworks should last at least 10 minutes. But the best fireworks are 20 minutes or longer. Is she carrying the gift on her head?
How else is she gonna carry?
You're right. Snakes don't have any hands, huh?
Yeah. It's a bright and sunny day.
Mm-hmm.
Perfect way to celebrate.
We got these markers for Christmas, right, Mia?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, your aunt got it for us. That was so nice of her. Amazing! Well, these are our New Year's snakes.
Uh-huh.
Happy New Year, everyone!
Happy New Year!
Thanks for watching.
Bye.